Before slotting, determine the installation position of the slotting device first. Note that the slot of the slotting device must be tightly attached to the door panel, and there must be no gaps. First loosen the positioning slider, then move the arrow to the scale of 194, and then mark the positioning slider. After positioning, screw in 2 setting screws to secure the slotting device. When slotting, the depth of each head should not exceed 5 mm. After the 2 sides are slotted, then use another slotting device to slide. Note that the positioning slider arrow should point to the scale of 194. If there is a gap between the slotting device and the bottom plate, press down both sides of the slotting device. After the door leaf slot is completed, then the slot is opened at the same height of the door frame. The slotting weight is the same as the door leaf. It should be noted that the slot height of the door leaf and the door frame should be consistent. Note that when the hinge is installed, the green limit device cannot be removed, otherwise the hinge hydraulic automatic close cannot be opened again. The hinge can be adjusted out for a minute. The locking screw needs to be loosened before adjustment, and then tightened after adjustment. Up and down can also be fine-tuned plus or minus for a minute. After loosening the locking screw, move the door leaf directly up and down by hand. After the hinge is installed, the green limit device can be removed. The hinge comes with speed control knob. The hydraulic closing speed of the hinge can be adjusted with one hand. Note that all hinges on the same door are adjusted to the same speed. The door can stay level between 90°-180°. 85°-0° is the automatic door closing area. At 90 degrees position, so is stop door positioning function. Soft positioning, no need to install door stopper.